Hi, I'm Johanna, and today we're making calamansi muffin. So for the ingredients, first I will be doing the crumb toppings. We have the German wheat flour type 405. Okay, so for the toppings, we have this German wheat flour type 405. It's patented grain washing technique to provide a healthier and cleaner flour. So instead of all-purpose flour, I substitute it with the German wheat flour for healthier choice. So this one is 3/4 cups of German wheat flour. Okay, so we put on the bowl, put inside the bowl. Then half a cup of caster sugar. We have salt. And then we have the butter. So we just need to pour the butter, not everything. We need to see the consistency first. Yeah, okay. Next is I'll put 1 teaspoon of lemon extract to taste, and then 1 tablespoon of calamansi juice. Okay. And okay, so for the wet ingredient, we have 2 eggs. 2 eggs. And then we have corn oil, half a cup of corn oil. Okay. 1 cup of sour cream. Lemon extract, 1 teaspoon. And 4 to 5 tablespoons of calamansi juice. Okay, then use wire whisk and then mix together. And the Calamansi Zest. This is a half teaspoon. Again, we have the German wheat flour, 1 cup sugar. We have the Malt and rye Nutritious grain mix. So it contributes to the texture and nutritional value of a variety of baked products such as bread and of course my muffin and cookies. It contains roasted malt to provide fiber, protein, and vitamins for daily needs. This is the sprouted buckwheat seeds. So the sprouted buckwheat seeds is sporting process increased nutritional value as compared to non-sprouted ingredients. So sprouted ingredients contains protein, fibers, and antioxidants. And I think it also gives texture to your muffins. So if you do not have nuts or if you want other seeds, you can use the sprouted buckwheat seeds. Okay, now it's time to scoop our muffins into the muffin tins.